You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this delicious brand of champagne, French champagne, as you'd say in the US, I guess. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is super useful from France and wine, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Stay tuned. Taittinger is the French pronunciation, how we say it in France. Taittinger. Alright, so T is easy. Just say T in English. Tin is very French a sound, isn't it? You don't really have that sound in English. Tin, tin. Just say tin, okay? Taittinger. And then the G is pronounced R. G. Taittinger is the really good French pronunciation. Now, in English, just say Taittinger. Now, there's no stress on any particular syllable in French. We don't say Taittinger or Taittinger. No, Taittinger. Every syllable has the same weight, the same stress, which also makes it sound more French. Taittinger. Taittinger. You can say in English, and that would be excellent. And now you know, like this video, by the way, support. Thank you. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.